We've rotated the telescope over to Spica, our alignment star, and centered it and synchronized. Now we're going to go to our target that's on the west side of the zenith, but to avoid conflict with the ladder, we're going to first send the telescope to Polaris. And once we get to Polaris, then we'll move over to the target, which we're going to say is Venus at this point. If at any time you think the telescope is going to be in conflict with the ladder, you can press any key on the hand controller and the telescope will stop. Then you can use the hand controller to move the telescope out of the way so you can move the ladder, then go back to the computer and start again the telescope control program where we remember where it was and continue to that target. After we get that part back to Polaris, we'll go on to Venus. And we're going to go ahead and tell the computer to go to Polaris. Slewing. You'll note the telescope knows that Polaris is going to be on the other side. The telescope, when we go to Venus, is going to rotate to put the eyepiece in the right position. So right now it's set up to look at Polaris. When we go to Venus, it's going to rotate that eyepiece down. Okay, there was no conflict. It went directly to Polaris. So now we're going to enter Venus, and it'll slew over to that target. The eyepiece holder is in the right position to move the ladder over to observe.